Alphabets class.
Welcome to the Alphabets class. Benny, get ready for a magical letter adventure.
A is for apple,
Juicy and red.
B is for ball,
It bounces on your head.
C is for cat,
It purrs so sweet.
D is for drum. Let's tap that beat. A, B, C, and D, come and sing along with me. E, F, G, and H, let's learn the alphabet. It's great.
Ooh.
E is for elephant,
Big and gray.
F is for frog,
It hops all day.
G is for grapes,
Purple and round.
H is for horse,
Galloping sound. I, J, K, and L, we're doing so well. Can't you tell? M, N, O, P, let's go. Learning letters. Watch us grow. Q.
Q is for queen,
She wears a crown.
R is for rainbow,
Up and down.
S is for sun,
It shines so bright.
T is for train,
Chugging all night.
U is for umbrella,
Keeping us dry.
V is for violin,
Strings to try.
W is for whale,
Swimming so free.
X is for xylophone,
Play with me.
Y is for yo-yo,
Spinning up high.
Z is for zebra, zooming left and right.
Class dismissed.
What could be next? Shapes? Colors? Maybe numbers? Hey! 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 Red like apples in the tree. Blue like waves that kiss the sea. Yellow, sunny, bright and free. Colors here for you and me. Spin around, take a peek. What's your favorite? Shout, don't speak. Red, blue, yellow, green. Purple popping on the scene. Orange glows, pinks between. Colors make the world a dream. Hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! Green like grass where we can play. Orange like the setting day. Purple's magic here to stay. Colors light our every way. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Colors make the world so sweet. Red, blue, yellow, green. Purple popping on the scene. Orange glows, pinks between. Colors make the world a dream. Hey, hey! Hey, hey! The magic isn't over yet. Now it's numbers time.
One little bird flying so high, two tiny clouds in a big blue sky, three bright flowers, colors so sweet, four bouncing bunnies with happy feet. Clap, clap, clap! Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, clap. Numbers grow. 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 5 shiny stars in the night so deep. 6 silly frogs take a giant leap. 7 bright kites up in the breeze. 8 giggling kids climbing up the trees. Clap, clap, clap! Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, clap. Numbers grow. 7, 8, 9. Here we go. 9 little sheep say ba ba ba. 10 big cows go moo ha ha. Numbers are fun, they're all around. Clap your hands to the counting sound. Clap, clap, clap! Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, clap. Numbers grow. 9, 10, 10. Now you know.
See you next time for more magical learning. Goodbye.